Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Robinhood account step by step. Before you can deactivate, you need to download all your tax documents, account statements, and trade confirmations from the Documents section in the app. Save everything to your device. After deactivation, you can still retrieve these, but it's safest to have your own copies. Next, close all your investment positions. Sell any stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency holdings you have. Go through each asset and hit the sell button until all your positions show as closed with no holdings remaining. Once everything is sold, withdraw all your funds to your linked bank account. Find the withdraw or transfer button in the banking section and transfer your entire cash balance. Wait for this to process so your account balance shows $0.00. If you're enrolled in any paid programs like stock lending or the brokerage cash sweep, you'll need to unenroll from those. Go into your account settings, find the program settings, and cancel any subscriptions. You'll get a confirmation that the programs are canceled. Select the account icon at the bottom of the screen. It's the person icon. Once that opens, select Menu. That's the 3 bars. In the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page loads, scroll down and select Deactivate Account. You'll see a screen where you can choose which account to close. If you only have one account, it'll show you that one. If you have multiple, select the specific one you want to deactivate. The app will now walk you through some on-screen instructions to close out anything outstanding. It'll check that you've met all the requirements. Follow the prompts until you reach the final confirmation screen. Confirm that you have a $0 balance, and then confirm the deactivation request. You'll receive an email within 5 to 7 days. This email will either confirm your account closure or let you know if there are any remaining steps to complete. Even after deactivation, you can still access your statements and tax documents in the app. Robinhood retains these records for compliance purposes. Also worth noting, this process is a deactivation, not a full permanent deletion of your data. Most account types can be reactivated later if you change your mind, except for managed accounts and joint accounts, which can't be reactivated once closed. And that's how to delete your Robinhood account. Thanks for watching.